we sat in one of our meetings as DP and we decided that the young man who had won the Chadondo East parliamentary elections, Bobi Wine, can help attract the youth to politics. Because President Museveni has been beating the opposition with a gap of about 2 to 3 million. Why? Because young people don't go to vote. And we identified Bobi Wine as a magnet. We did not see him as a presidential candidate. We saw him as part of the movement. So we engaged him. As we engaged him under the reunion arrangement, we saw that we were building momentum. We then started discussing, is it possible for him to come and support me as a presidential candidate, given my experience and given the broad base of DP? He did not give us a direct answer, and he said, we shall see. But I think as we moved around the country and he saw the crowds adoring him, he started developing a totally different idea. Unfortunately, within DP itself, we had people who were telling him, you cannot work with Mao. Mao is difficult. But I tried my best to work with him. We reached a point when we agreed that we can even amend the DP constitution so that the president in 2021 is not. When you say I'm a DP, they say, oh, we like Mao. We like Mao. That is the respect we are looking for. So, like I told the people of Karamoja, don't throw away the last matchstick you have in your matchbox. I am your last matchstick that can take you to the promised land. Because I'm near the drum. If you want to get the ball, you go to the person who has it. He may pass it to you. Then you go and score. When the hand of the person beating the drum gets tired, I will press it and then start our song. But many people are refusing to understand it, mainly because of personal hatred against Mao. I don't know. I had said so, dear friends, DP needs to be in safe hands. The people who are contesting with me are not really DP at heart. They just have a problem of Musevenism, they have a problem with NRM, and what they are doing is called Mpalanirako. For us, where I come from in the north, we have suffered more than any other part under NRM. But we have decided that we should put Uganda first. So the understanding we have with the NRM is about putting Uganda first. And it is that understanding that has allowed you to organize without being disturbed. You can hold DP meetings, nobody will. Democrats, you have come from all parts of Uganda. Come and save me. The function before us here is to make sure we create a DP that is good for us and even for those here unborn. Yes. I am going to do one major job to introduce to you my mentor, the man that has mentored me politically. Those that find me better, you should always know that there is the best. He is the best. I would like to take this honor to introduce to you the juggernaut politically, the Acharya politically, the political gatamerata of the Democratic Party, the Honorable Norbert.
I want to thank you, National Vice President, the National Chairman, the President of the Women's League, Secretary General,